Court orders eviction order to Levi families. The court has issued an eviction order on 3 families of Levi Salimoa and given 3 months to vacate the lands claimed by the Ali'i Pule of Ofenga village as theirs. The decision was delivered after the court heard claims from Ofenga that they are the rightful owners of the lands the 3 families have been residing on. One of the Levi family's matai, Lefue Perenise Lelevanga, told Talamoa that he was appealing the decision. Last year, the Ali'i Pule of Ofenga claimed the lands using a 1963 court decision. Since 1963, the lands had been occupied by families from Levi, Le'auva'a, and Tuanai. When Ofenga exercised the 1963 court decision, mediation between the 3 villages and Ofenga were unsuccessful, and the Lands and Titles Court emphasized that the 1963 decision remains. The court also reminded that none of the 3 villages appealed the 1963 decision and only filed appeals 30 years later. Those appeals are currently pending for hearing in court. Meanwhile, the families have been ordered and given 3 months to vacate the disputed lands they are currently occupying.